This question asks us to draw the mechanism for this reaction, given that it is an SN1 reaction. In an SN1 reaction, the nucleophile is not strong enough to directly attack and displace the leaving group. We need to wait around for a carbocation to form. We have a leaving group on a tertiary carbon, so our first step will be the bromide leaving group kicking out Br- as a leaving group. That will form a carbocation intermediate. A carbocation is a stronger electrophile, so that even a weak neutral nucleophile, like a neutral alcohol, can attack. We can use a lone pair on the neutral alcohol to form an oxygen-carbon bond between this oxygen and the carbocation carbon. That will form our carbon-oxygen bond that we need in the product. However, we don't have any arrows showing the loss of this hydrogen, so oxygen will still be attached to hydrogen, which means oxygen will be positively charged. To neutralize our product, we'll use another molecule of the weak nucleophile ethanol. We'll use a lone pair on oxygen to do an acid-base reaction to take this hydrogen, giving electrons back to oxygen, neutralizing the product, and forming the desired product of this reaction. This is the mechanism for this SN1 reaction.